What up guys, welcome back to another video. This is 2KR Speed, my YouTube channel. Yeah, so right now in this video we are about to trade in 2016 Dodge Charger SXT. This is a 3.6 liter, so we're about to upgrade it for Dodge Charger RT, not the SRT though. We're upgrading to the Dodge Charger RT, which is a 5.7 liter V8. You get me? But man, with this one we're gonna miss it a lot. As you can see, this is the interior, fully red leather seats and stuff. This is the SXT Plus. Yep. It's a fairly nice car. It's 2016. Mileage right now is, as you can see, is about 90 something thousand kilometer. Yeah, this is fully powered. I mean, this got everything: lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and all the shenanigans. You get me? Yeah. But as you all know, if you're not going 5.7 or you're not going to 6.2, 6.4 liter V8 in this muscle car, you're not saying anything. You can't have a V6 and say it's a muscle car. So yo, listen, we're going for the 5.7 liter. Anyway, that's my fiance car. She's gonna upgrade it. This is my fiance car. I drive a Jeep right there. You can see she's coming. I was about to go pick up her brand new Dodge Charger SRT. Babe, how you feel?
Getting a new car.
A new car for sure. So yeah, what you say? The Mopar or no car?
It's a beast car.
It's a beast car. Yeah. She says a beast car. You get me? So stay tuned. You get me? Man, it is so sad to say goodbye to this car. It actually treats us really well. Very good on gas and everything. No problem. Just service and go. You get me? Yep. It's really a good car for our new owner. Hopefully they'll take care of it. Yeah guys, so now we'll finally get the key in hands for the new Dodge Charger RT. Give you guys a walk around, let you see what's going on. Yeah, this is a Blacktop package. You get me? Yeah, this is the beast right here. Full stripe all the way to the front. Now we have the black wheels. Yep. This is it, guys. The carbon fiber wrap right there, right around. It's pretty good. This is like the blood. I think this is color is the blood orange. Yeah, it's very clean and stuff. You can see inside. Well, clean. They did a good job, and I'm loving it. Very clean. I'm loving it. All right, man. Thanks. All right. Of course, man. We'll make sure. Yeah, babe. How you feel?
Like I had a new car.
Oh, you mean? Look inside. It's better than you think.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Mother, what you think? Talk to the camera. You're just in shock, eh?
Yeah. Look at this.
Yeah. I know. That's a vent. It's a, that's a.
Why is it looking good?
That's a vent. This helped to cool the brake.
Nope.
Oh, so they fixed this thing with.
Door.
Yeah.
Little mark there. We don't care about that. Right? Where? No. Okay. I'm gonna tell them.
Where? No,
Look
this
at
is
this.
dirty.
We need to fix that.
Going on. Go to the back and listen, mother. Listen to the exhaust. See if you like it. You wanna hold this? Hold this to the exhaust like that.
Like that?
Yeah, just hold it like that.
Oh dear. That's idle. Okay, man.
Good, eh?
No, that's the loudest car. Okay. Oh dear. Jesus help us. Jesus help me.
Yeah.
You can hear it.
So that one is a Daytona model,
Right?
and this is a Blacktop model. So this come with everything blacked out.
Yeah.
You can see the mirror and everything right there. It's blacked
Oh,
out,
I see.
and
Yeah.
the stripe all the way to the back. So I guess they're actually loving it, guys. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah. I mean, she doesn't want more than this right now. This is perfect for her. So guys, just comment down below and tell me what mod that you think I should actually start out with. What mod was the first thing I should do to make this much more of a beauty or beast? Alright? Because it